First three videos is about herpes virus, morbology. Morbology it have 1 to 8 different types. Based on the replication, there are classified into alpha, beta, gamma herpes virus. Alpha means it will take replication 12 to 18 hours. Beta means about 24 hours. Gamma means more than 72 hours. Alpha virus example type 1, 2 and 3. Beta virus type 5 and 6, 7. Then gamma virus type 4 and 8. Morbology, it having nucleocapsid or isosahedral linear double-stranded DNA, then that envelope having glycoprotein spike and lipid. In between particle name is called as tegument. This one is asymmetrical structure. This one is linear double-stranded. When it will enter to the host after during replication, it will change circular. Then our subject herpes simplex virus 1 and 2. 1 causes infection above waist. Type 2 causes infection genital lesion. This one mainly transmitted through sex and mother to fetus. Then second video we saw about that clinical manifestation: oral, facial, mucosal lesion, nerve system, cutaneous lesion, ocular lesion and genital lesion. Last one is neonatal herpes. Then laboratory diagnosis, cytopathology, virus isolation, viral antigen detection, direct immunofluorescent, DNA detection and antibody detection by using ELISA technique. Last one is treatment. Acyclovir is drugs of choice. Acyclovir is a drugs of choice. This one inhibit viral DNA polymerase. For mucocutaneous infection means we are using acyclovir, famciclovir, valacyclovir. So drugs of choice acyclovir. This one inhibit viral DNA polymerase. In the case of mucocutaneous infection means we are using acyclovir, famciclovir, valacyclovir. In the case of ocular infection means topical idosuridine, trifluorothiamidine, topical vidofine and cidofovir. These are the drugs used for ocular infection. In the case of ocular infection, idosuridine, vidofine, thiamidine and cidofovir. In the case of encephalitis and neonatal herpes means IV cyclovir, acyclovir. For resistant case we are using Buscar-Net. So treatment: viral DNA polymerase inhibit by using acyclovir. Acyclovir only drugs of choice. In the case of mucocutaneous, acyclovir, famciclovir, valacyclovir. Ocular means idosuridine, thiamidine, vidofine and cidofovir. In the case of encephalitis and neonatal herpes means IV acyclovir. In the case of resistant case we are using Buscar-Net. That's all about herpes virus.